Ding. So now we have almost finished our furniture layout. Here you can see there's a car and the gate also placed. I can show you in 3D. Okay. Okay, so this car will look like a natural when it is realistic mode. Yeah. So this is how it will look in WT. Okay. Then we have the dining room, kitchen, hall, and bedroom, toilet. Then we have master bedroom. Then if we go to the second level, so I have copied the same layout and then pasted here. So now it looks like perfect architecture plan. Okay, so everything is done. So now the next step is to model casework. So we have to model casework at bedrooms. Okay, let me go to this level 0. You can see here this is the bedroom and we have a storage. We have some storage location at the top, so that we have to model. Here you can see so this is the bedroom and we have some storage to do, and in the kitchen also we have to do some. Okay, I can show you in the kitchen area. In the kitchen area also we have to do some casework at the bottom of kitchen top, and we should also do the same at the top storage. Okay, we'll do that in the next video. Okay, that's all.